Hey. What's up, everybody? I am Tawanda Dofat. You know, when you book that trip, we are super pumped. We are excited. We are full of joy. I want to talk to each and every one of you about that today. Because look, you know, when you book that trip, you hit that button or you call and say, hey, I'm ready to go. I want to put my deposit down. You know, you feel like just like a superstar when you hang up that phone. You like, I'm all booked. I'm ready to go. All I have to do is pack my bags, jump on the flight, and I'm ready to go, right? And that's all we think about. But I want to talk to you guys today about something that is so important, right? It's travel insurance. The reason it's so important is because we never know we need it until we need it, right? And I'm going to sit down because I wanted to just let everyone know I feel that same way also. I'm super pumped when I book that trip or when I book someone on a trip. But we're all excited until something happens. And then we go from yay to now what am I going to do? You know, and all jokes aside, this is a serious matter. Travel insurance is something that we all need to protect our investment. We don't talk about it enough. We have insurance for our house. We have insurance for our car. We have life insurance. We have insurance on the babies, you know, Gerber life insurance. You know, we insure everything except for trips. And you have an obligation. I'm going to say that you have an obligation to protect your investment because you work hard for your money and you want it to be there and work for you when you need it, even if you cannot go on the trip. Did you guys catch that? I am going to go into 2020 talking about travel insurance because I have been devastated by some of the ladies that are going on trips, whether it's with me or other companies, and they call me and tell me about it, that they paid thousands of dollars and now the trip either is canceled or someone got sick in their family and they can't go, or they didn't know that their child was going to get married at that same time. Those are things that are unexpected. We don't know that those things are going to happen. And that's why I always say insurance, you don't know you need it until you actually have to have it. So it's always best to get it. So you don't want to have an unexpected incident and you are unable to go on the trip and also unable to get your money back. We sell insurance through Travel Insured International. They will protect the entire trip for you, the flight, the excursions, the hotel, the whole package for you. I want each and every one of you to know that going into 2020, when we're selling these trips, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the importance of having insurance. Really, it doesn't cost a lot of money. Some of the ladies buy policies that cost like $37. I've seen some of them go as high as maybe $210 for the trips that I am hosting. But you can get some in between. There's 3 separate policies you can buy. The highest one is called Plus with Travel International. Plus will guarantee walk away for any reason at any time for a full refund. In some states, because insurance is different in different states, sometimes it's up to 75%. But it's depending on what state you live in, what age you are, and how much the trip costs. But I don't want anyone else to get caught out here without travel insurance. And again, I'm just not talking about booking with my company, Majestic Millionaires. I am talking about whether you book with another agency, whether you book with the cruise line, whoever you book with, protect your investment. If you have already booked your trip and you don't have insurance, you can certainly still even purchase insurance with Majestic Millionaires, even if you did not purchase your trip from us. but I want you to have insurance because I don't want you to go from here to here. I don't want anyone to ever have that happen to them again. We work hard for our money. We want that trip, whether it's today, when it's supposed to happen, or whether we have to postpone it and go another time. We still want to keep our same invested value, that money, because we work hard for our money and we don't want it just to go down the toilet. And I want to share with you all that when we sign contracts and we have obligations as a travel agency, because I do own the travel agency here at Majestic Millionaires, we don't hold the money here. We give the money, if it's to airlines, we give it to the airlines for the portion of the fares we have to pay. We give it to the hotels. We give it to the tour operators. Just imagine we're giving the money to them and you can't go on your trip and you think we're housing the money and we can easily give it back to you. That is not the way it works. So I get tears in my eyes too once we have paid for your trip and now you say that your child is sick or someone's getting married and you didn't know the date. They just decided that it was going to be on that same date that you planned this fantastic getaway, right? So think about all of that. Things that are unforeseen, they're unforeseen for a reason. That's why insurance is so important, guys. And I don't want you to go from, hey, I booked my trip. I'm having a good time. I'm going. Everything is in line. And then next month you find out you either lost your job or you got a new job and they won't let you go. Or your son or your daughter is getting married on that same week. Or sometimes you decide you just don't want to go. How about that? Sometimes you be like, you know what? At that time, I thought everything was going well. I had all the I's dotted and the T's crossed. My bills were up to date. And now something happened and I just don't want to go. We want you to be protected. And that's what this video is all about. Protect your investment, protect you, protect your trip, and protect the unforeseen. I am Tawanda Dofat. I am the CEO of Majestic Millionaires, a travel agency where we have everything good for you. We help you with your travel, food, and fun needs, right? So if you guys need me, you know where to find me. Have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great rest of the month. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.